Hello students, there is a breaking news for CBSE students. What is the breaking news? Breaking news is here that CBSE board exam 2021 to be held between July 10. So this is the big news for CBSE students. Result will be declared by July and practical exam will be begin on March 1. So what is the news? The Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE board exam for class 10th and class 12th will be held between May 4 and June 10, 2021. Students, said by Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal in the virtual address. And what is the news? Result will be declared by July 15. The practical examination for class 10th and class 12th board students will be begin on March 1, 2021. And it is also said by Mr. Pokhriyal that date sheet will be issued soon also. So as the situation due to COVID-19 pandemic began faced by the students, teacher and the school in unprecedented CBSE in the order to ensure the conducive environment to the students for the exams, and based on the feedback and consultations with diverse stakeholder has decided the following and accordingly notified that the board examination for class 10th and 12th will commence from 4th May 2021 Tuesday. It is declared now. Schools will be allowed to conduct practical project internal assessment of class 12th from 1st March 2021 Monday to the last date of conduct of theory examination of the same class. Similarly, school will be allowed to conduct the practical project internal assessment of class 10th from 1st March 2021 Monday to be last date of conduct of theory examination of the same class. Date sheet of both class 10th and 12th will be issued soon. So students, it is a big news for CBSE students. It is also said that CBSE will also inform all the stakeholder about information related to the examination from time to time. So information will be made available on CBSE website. So if you want to know more about it, so please visit CBSE website, and if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for more detail. So thank you for watching. Bye bye, take care.